Greetings, good day, grand rising. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I thank you for watching. I just wanted to come on really quickly and say a few things. Now, I've done a similar video about the 2 words that most people say when they see someone in the daytime, and that's good morning. But I've also mentioned that I understand the etymology of words, and I understand that M-O-R-N-I-N-G and M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G actually mean the same thing. And I don't want to wish anyone a good sorrow, right? When you know better, you should do better. And even if others don't understand or they decide not to ask why you don't say it, I'm still doing my due diligence and not saying it. But we have a tendency to judge one another, but we're not here to judge. We're here to learn from one another's differences. And I'm thankful that more people are waking up and understanding that we have to unlearn and relearn everything that we were ever taught. Because I've been holding a lot of the things in that I know since 1994, and that's a long time to have this knowledge and not be able to share it with anyone. But I do not have people around who are awake and aware of the ills of society, we'll say. And, you know, they understand that, you know, each letter has a different energy, and then these energies make up words, and we say these words and they have an effect on us in a way that we don't understand. This is, you know, these alphanumeric characters are not just letters that make up words. They have a much deeper meaning when we understand gematria. You can even do some research about the Hebrew language, because they use a lot of it. And again, they have an understanding that most of us do not. So I just wanted to share that, and I hope it was helpful. If you would like to learn more, I would be more than happy to do a more detailed video. But I just wanted to say, we shouldn't judge or criticize someone because they're not repeating the same words or behaviors, or they don't have the same ways, thoughts, and actions. It doesn't mean that they're evil. It doesn't mean that they, you know, worship a lower vibrating energy or any of those things. Sometimes asking a question so that you can have an understanding is a good idea. No question is stupid, but there's a reason for everything. And it's not just to spite you or get on your nerves. There's a reason for everything. And sometimes if we have that understanding, we'll be less likely to judge. And even if we disagree, again, we may still be less likely to judge. I hope that was helpful. As always, I love y'all. Later. Mwah.